So I had this order and it took me less than 30 minutes to get the shoe done. I know you'll be surprised, but I have the shoe already made. So all I have to do is get my insole done, get my top, sew the top, then get to start lacing. So just calm down. Within less than 10 minutes I'll be taking you through how to get to do this particular half shoe. It's so amazing, so beautiful. I know you love it, so just follow me carefully. For the sake of this video, I will not be using much voice explanation, so follow the procedures carefully. Like, comment, share, ask your questions. I'll be attending to all questions in the comment section, and also subscribe if you've not subscribed. All right, let's get going. It's easy to do. After tracing, you just cut it out. Make sure you have your folding allowance. Fold it, add your lining, then you sew to the tip, sew them together. Then that's all for the top. That's all for the top. It's just so easy. So please stay back, relax, enjoy the video, ask your questions, drop a comment, like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. You can reach me on 0903 553 9885 plus 234 90 3553 9885. That's my WhatsApp number. I'm available for personal lessons. Also, if you want me to teach group of people or persons in school or vocational training, you can also reach out to me on WhatsApp, or you can call me directly on my phone line 09035 539 Thank you. Keep watching, watch to the end. Don't forget, at the end of this particular video there's a very nice story, funny and entertaining, that you need to listen to. So thank you.
Hi, student Neve. Hello. Where Mr. Jerry?
Hello.
When did they move speed like this? I think I'm sorry for that. Don't you make it like I bring a phone? How to make him check for me?
How much is it? Why you don't do the one way? Yeah.
I feel after the day, time better. That's what. Something started here.
Come on, team. Bye bye. Just remember that way. Don't listen. Don't bring that canvas. Canvas. Don't say more change. Okay, yeah. Is he saying cause inside it? No. I did do it again. You just want dump the shoe for your river. I'm saying they do have 15 one canvas. Yeah. Be serious. Stop. Yeah, I don't see any of that. I'm done with this show. So I try to stay uptight. I'm done, man. You're done. Yeah? Yeah. Everything be right. It's all right. Okay, man. Right up there.